on the way home, cause it's getting late. I've been waiting all day for you to swing my way. You said you'd be right and it's after 3. I sent a text, maybe you didn't read. I know that liquor got you loose and things. Like the chance to get your hands on me. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, time it urgently. My room is vacant, please, I need you perfectly. Let me go ahead and set the mood. Need your eyes on me like they're glued. And I usually be keeping cool, but I'm trying to really see it through. No clock, but I'm ticking. Am I shook? Am I tripping? Play it off, cause I'm getting everything that I'm missing. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, come urgently. My room is vacant, please, I need you perfectly. I wanna, oh, it's an emergency. I need them coming for me. I need them begging for me. I need them down on me. I won't wait. I can't stay. I need you away. You got 10 minutes, babe. 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, come urgently. My room is vacant, please, I need you perfectly. I want.
Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time, I'm never late. Make it there on time, don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile. I thought that it was smart, stay in my lane, always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play, I had the leading part. I realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one else seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so charged. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so overworking every situation, keeping track of everybody's doing. Do they have something I like? I try to prove I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal